English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 13. Late Night Chat. I am happy. People say this too. What sounds more natural? I am so happy. I am so happy. I am sad. That works fine. Anything more casual? I feel down. I feel down. I am tired. People understand it. What sounds more native? I am exhausted. I am exhausted. I am irritated. That sounds formal. What do people say? This is so annoying. This is so annoying. I am nervous. This is common. Anything more natural? I am kinda nervous. I am kinda nervous. I am scared. People say that. What sounds better? That is kinda scary. That is kinda scary. I am relieved. That works too. What sounds more casual? What a relief. What a relief. I am embarrassed. People say this often. Anything shorter? This is awkward. This is awkward. I was surprised. People get it. What sounds more natural? No way. No way. I am bored. This is common. What sounds more native? I have nothing to do. I have nothing to do. I am worried. That works fine. What sounds softer? I am kinda worried. I am kinda worried. I am confused. People understand it. Anything more casual? I am lost. I am lost. I am angry. That sounds strong. What sounds better? That is annoying. That is annoying. I feel safe. People say this too. What sounds more natural? I feel better now. I feel better now. I am excited. People say that. What sounds more native? I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I am so happy. I am so happy. I feel down. I feel down. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. This is so annoying. This is so annoying. I am kinda nervous. I am kinda nervous. That is kinda scary. That is kinda scary. What a relief. What a relief. This is awkward. This is awkward. No way. No way. I have nothing to do. I have nothing to do. I am kinda worried. I am kinda worried. I am lost. I am lost. That is annoying. That is annoying. I feel better now. I feel better now. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.